Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 22. To those men who worship me alone, thinking of no other, to those ever self-controlled, I secure for them that which is not already possessed, yoga, by them, and preserve for them what they already possess, kshema.
Chapter 9, Shloka 22. Ananya chintayanto maam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham.
Chapter 9, Shloka 22. What happens to those who worship the eternal, the substratum of the entire universe? This shloka gives a clear scheme of living the right kind of life in the world of plurality, meeting all the challenges with courage and conviction. A secret is revealed by which success can be gained by the secular as well as the sacred seekers. For the spiritual seekers, as have been stated earlier, with an entirely single-pointed mind can mean who meditate on the self with undivided attention as not separate from their own essential self, or they meditate on the self without their thoughts. Those who, with a single pointed mind, thus meditate on the self, Lord promises that He brings yoga and kshema, meaning more and more spiritual vigor and the final experience of the bliss infinite. For those seeking the fulfillment of desires in secular world, Lord assures a complete success in their worldly life if they pursue a self-willed thought with a singleness of purpose. They are sure to succeed. An ordinary man is unable to maintain the thoughts in one channel of thinking, or his goal keeps changing, and so there is no progress. We have to remember, thoughts alone create. Actions are the effect and the thoughts are the cause. Weak thoughts can only produce dull actions. Therefore, the thoughts from a single pointed mind must flow steadily in full inspiration, enthusiasm and vigor towards a chosen goal which the individual has chosen for himself in life. The three secret factors without which success in life will not be assured are: A. consistency of willing and thinking. B. Pouring ourselves with a singleness of purpose in facing the situation in entirety. And C. Self-control. Lord guarantees that to the one who is capable of maintaining these three factors and pursuing them diligently, there need be no anxiety to gain, nor worry to guard, as these two responsibilities will be voluntarily undertaken by Lord Himself through the laws of nature, like water flows from the higher to the lower level. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.